Hello people! Today I'm going to be showing you how to upload the firmware to your Arduino Leonardo for the DIY Arduino steering wheel. To begin with, you must download the EMC zip file from the link in the description and extract it. Next, you must open the folder. Go to the Xloader folder and run the Xloader application.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on. Get out!
A few moments later.
Now you must click on the three dots under the hex file section, and then you must select the hex file which is located in the firmware folder. Next, you must select the Leonardo 32U4 under the device drop-down list. Now you must open the drop-down list under the COM port section and note down all the port names and then close the list. Next, you need to press the reset button on your Arduino board and open the COM port drop-down list again and select the new port that has appeared after you have pressed the reset button. And now you can click the upload button and the firmware will be uploaded. Since the firmware has already been uploaded to my board, I need not do it again. In your case, since you're doing this for the first time, only the green light on your Arduino would be lighting up initially. But after the firmware has been uploaded, the orange light will start to light up as well. That's how you know the firmware has been successfully uploaded. So that's it for today, people. See you in the next one, and until then, stay tuned.